There are many reasons why we should back up our customized vocabulary files on the NovaChat devices. Making sure we have a copy of the most recent file in cases of device repairs, sharing with staff and family to model on another device, or transferring customizations off the NovaChat at the end of a trial so that you can import it onto a purchased device. You can use the dual USB that comes with your NovaChat to back up and transfer your customized vocabulary file. Start by swiveling it so that the smaller side is visible. For some NovaChat devices, this will be a USB-C end, and for some NovaChat devices, this may be a micro USB end. There are two options for backing up things on your NovaChat. One backs up just the customized vocabulary file, which can be useful when you only need the layout and customized words and buttons available. The other option will back up the vocabulary file, the voice, and other settings you have customized on the NovaChat. This is useful when you are transferring everything from one NovaChat to another, especially at the end of a trial. First, let's look at the steps for backing up just the vocabulary file by exporting it to the dual USB. Locate the charge port on the side of your NovaChat device and insert the dual USB into the port. Next, tap on the menu. Find Library on the list and tap on it. Find the three gray dots in the upper right corner and tap them. Select Import Export. The next screen may look different on different models of NovaChat. Tap on the three lines in the upper left corner and make sure that USB disk is selected. Then tap on the Select button. Copied vocabulary files on the device will be on the left side of the screen, while files on the dual USB will be on the right side. Select the file you want to back up from the device, then tap on the To Backup button. The vocabulary file has now been backed up to the dual USB and will be visible on that side of the screen. Press the Go Back button on the NovaChat until you are back to your vocabulary file. You can safely remove the dual USB from the NovaChat. To load your backed up vocabulary file back onto the NovaChat or onto a new NovaChat, you will want to import the file from the dual USB drive. Insert the dual USB into the charge port on your NovaChat device. Select the menu, then select Library. Select the three gray dots in the upper right corner, then select Import Export. Make sure that the USB disk is selected, then tap on the Select button in the lower right corner. Select the file you want to import from the right side of the screen, then tap on the To Device button. The vocabulary file has now transferred to the NovaChat. Press the Go Back button on the NovaChat until you are back to your vocabulary file. You can safely remove the dual USB from the NovaChat device. Now let's look at the steps for backing up the NovaChat user information. That includes the vocabulary file, voice, and other settings. Insert the dual USB into the charge port. Next, tap on the menu. Find Application Settings in the list and tap on it. Swipe up and select System. Select User Backup Restore. Tap on User Backup. Give the backup a name. You can add the date of the backup if you would like. Tap on Save. Make sure that USB disk is selected. Then tap on Save in the lower right corner. Wait for the backup to complete. When it has finished, tap on OK. Press the Go Back button on the NovaChat until you are back to your vocabulary file. You can safely remove the dual USB from the NovaChat. Restoring a user allows you to transfer the vocabulary file, voice, and settings onto a new NovaChat. Insert the dual USB into the charge port. Next, tap on the menu, select Application Settings, then swipe up and select System. Select User Backup Restore. Tap on User Restore. Find the user saved on the USB and tap on it. You will get a warning that the restore will overwrite all user data on this device. Select Yes. The restore process may take a minute to complete. Once the restore is finished, you will see a pop-up and you will need to restart the NovaChat by tapping on OK. Allow the NovaChat to restart and the chat software to load. Tap on OK when the restore is complete. You can safely remove the dual USB. For more information and resources to best use your NovaChat, visit the Saltillo website. Select Support and Education. You can find support articles under Support Home, video how-tos under Tutorials, and view product and implementation courses under Recorded Webinars. Enroll in live instructor-led courses as well as self-paced e-learning on our learning management system, AAC Learning Journey.